Now at 11, we are taking a deep dive into the pretrial release of people in Marion County. All week, we've investigated the local criminal justice system after people on GPS monitoring were charged with murder. The man accused of killing Christy Holt was put on GPS monitoring and pretrial release for a December stabbing of another person. Well, tonight we get answers to questions about how people are selected for pretrial release and how they are monitored. CBS 4's Courtney Crown staying on top of this for part 3 of this investigative report. Now, Courtney, what have you learned today?
Well, Melissa, a risk assessment focuses on a person's likelihood to return to court or be a public safety risk. That assessment plays a major role in the judge's pretrial ruling. Tonight, we look at how well the probation department's team says it's working.
Right now, there are 1,900 people on post-conviction GPS monitoring and home detention, plus 1,500 people pre-trial. For those 1,500,
they're able to, move around the city, community, county, whatever restrictions the court may impose at their own will, as long as they do stay away from those areas which are restricted.
Chief Probation Officer Christine Curl explains risk assessments are done for all defendants for pretrial releases who do not have pending cases. The certified officer gets answers and makes recommendations to the courts.
What we would do is take the assessment, which is looking at likelihood to reoffend, likelihood to show up in court, match it to the charge, the lead charges in the case.
Do you guys ever recommend that someone doesn't get taken out of jail for pretrial?
Our matrix does not have a built-in, absolutely not, no way. We have had staff that have expressed, Your Honor, they have been on this before. This may not be something that would be in the best service for this individual to appear or not to appear, or for public safety.
Curl says since September 2019, 95% of pretrial supervision clients did not pick up new charges, but that leaves 5% who do. And that leads to questions from victims and their families.
What would you want them to know about the system as it is in place?
Sheer regret for what they've experienced, but just the rest assured and let them know that we, based upon what we actually can predict to the best of our ability with risk assessments and tools, it's not my gut, it's something that's been proven to be predictive of that. We are doing everything we possibly can to ensure that it's applied correctly and accurately.
We've highlighted 2 cases this week of people wearing GPS monitors on pretrial release who are accused of murder. Curl couldn't comment on a pending case, but says all risk assessments of defendants must be done accurately and thoroughly.
Are we ensuring that the right individuals are on the devices? And if so, if that is the court's intention, then what is it do we need to be sure that we're following through on?
We also spoke with the Community Corrections Director about post-conviction monitoring. We asked questions about the cost of the devices and where that money goes. You'll find the full hour-long uncut interview with both Community Corrections and Curl with the Probation Department on our website. There you'll also find info on the 2 cases we profiled this week. In the newsroom tonight, Courtney Crown, CBS 4 News.